Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Peoria Heights, local and long distance movers near me. We give you everything you need to customize your move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. You don't have to let relocating stress you out. There are lots of things to do, but the packing and moving can be handled by our team. Whether you're going one state over or several states away, we're ready to make your long-distance move easier. Finding an Illinois moving company for your local move is a good idea. You won't have to do all the physical labor and work so hard to get your things moved. Even a shorter move can be a very big job and become overwhelming. The help of 3 Movers will help you from getting stressed out on moving day. We streamline the process so you can get focused on getting into your new location. If your move will take you 5 days to complete, we can get it done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Peoria Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.